Now we're moving to 17 million years ago, and we're looking at an artist's depiction of what Central Otago looked like back then. Back then, Central Otago had a warmer climate. It was temperate to subtropical, and the majority of Central Otago was taken up by this massive lake called Lake Manuherikia, and that lake was about 10 times bigger than Lake Taupō. And it was teeming with life. Fish, shellfish, crayfish, numerous bird species including waterfowl like geese and swans. And you can see plants that are more adapted to a warmer climate like palms, big ferns, and even gum trees. And we know all this from the fossil evidence that's been found where this lake used to be. So when you come into Otago Museum, you can see a lot of this fossil evidence on display. One of the most fascinating pieces of evidence found in Central Otago is a tiny little fossil fragment. But from that tiny little fragment, we have evidence that in New Zealand we used to have crocodiles. And we've got that little fossil fragment on display just over here. So this fossil is a piece of jawbone from a crocodile, and it was found in St Bathans in Central Otago, and it's been dated to about 16 million years old. So back then the climate was more suited to crocodiles and even snakes. Evidence of snakes have also been found in the area, but as the climate cooled, these species weren't adapted to that colder environment and they went extinct. Which is maybe a good thing for us.